Hi, my name is Nicolas. I'm the French eReader guy, and today it is an unboxing video of this eReader, the Bigme S6 Color Plus. It is an eReader from the Bigme brand. It works on Android 11 operating system. It has a e-ink color Kaleido 3 screen, 7.8 inches. It's the last generation of e-color screen. So I will make a full review of this e-reader in two parts. One for the reading experience, the reading options, and the second one for working with this e-reader because it has a stylus and a lot of functionality. And I think this device is quite interesting because the new Kaleido 3 screen, color screen, is very good, and there's a big improvement over the last generations of e-color e-ink screen. If you want me to review some functionality, some apps, because there is Google Play, so I can download apps and review them for you, you can subscribe to this channel, put a thumbs up and add a comment if you want me to review some features, because there's lots of features in this e-reader and my first impressions are very good. I think it is a good device. It's a little bit expensive, around $400, but I think it is worth it. And if you want to know more, see you next week for the first part of the review of the Bigme S6 Color Plus e-reader. Bye.